A major contributing factor to the location of biomes is light intensity. Looking at a globe, and what I've done is I've drawn a picture of the Earth. You can see the equator and the Tropic of Cancer. And the Tropic of Cancer is about 23 degrees north of the equator. And the Tropic of Capricorn, which is about 23 degrees south of the equator. These are two significant locations in the Earth. The Tropic of Cancer, which is north of the equator, on our first day of summer, the light is at its highest angle at the Tropic of Cancer. During our first day of fall and spring, the sun is at its highest angle at the equator. At our first day of winter, the sun is its highest angle at the Tropic of Cancer. So this region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, that area is going to have the highest intensity of light. And what we'll find is, because of the high intensity of light, is that regions around the world, especially if there's a lot of moisture, will have a very high dense plant and animal composition. And it's because of the producers. They have more sun, more light available to produce food. You have more producers. The magnitude of the quantity of producers is higher. The consumers are also going to be higher. Now, if we look at the different poles, the North and South Pole, the sun has its lowest angle, the lowest intensity along the polar regions. So you're going to have much fewer producers, much fewer consumers. If you look at this, it might be easier to visualize this. If this is the Earth here, and we look at it from the sun, so this is our sun, this is the Earth, and these beams, these are light waves. So I have one here, here, and you can see as we go towards the equator, and this is the equator, the Earth. Let's say this is the Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Capricorn. And in this region, you'll find is the light intensity is much higher than if we go closer towards the poles. So this region over here. So the light intensity is much less. So the biomes are located here between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, this region here. You're going to have a lot more plant and animal diversity, assuming there's moisture there. So if you have arid regions, you're not going to have as much. But what you'll notice is that in this region, this is where you find a lot of your tropical rainforest, is between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. If you go closer to the poles, especially at the poles, you find the Arctic regions, and that's not very much plant and animal diversity.